Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect OKX to TradingView in 2026. For that, you need to come here on tradingview.com, then simply launch the chart of any of the cryptocurrencies in front of you. If you don't know how to launch the chart, simply just come here on this particular page. By default, you will see this page when you log in into your account here. So use the search bar on the top. Then among the given tabs, like we have stocks, funds, futures, forex, you need to click on the option of crypto first. So what this is going to do is it is going to show you all of the charts of the cryptocurrencies which you can launch here. So you just have to click on the option of the launch chart right next to that particular crypto which you want to launch. For example, let's say I want to launch the chart of Solana. So after clicking on the option of launch chart, its chart is going to look something like this. So when you are here on this chart page, simply look for the option of trading panel here in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. When you see these types of trusted brokers list in front of you, click on the option of show all brokers so that it could show you the list of all of the brokers that are available here. Now here in the second row itself, you will find the third option of OKX. So you can click on it and you are able to see this type of option. You can also use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen, then look for the option of OKX. Once you are able to find it, simply just click on it. Then it will ask whether you want to log in into your OKX live account, or you can also log in here with the help of your OKX demo account. So simply select the one in which you want to basically log in. I want to log in here with the help of my live account, let's say. So click on the option of live. And if you don't want TradingView to remember your details, you can just simply check this box. Afterwards, click on the option of connect. Then it is going to redirect you on the official website of OKX, where you just have to do nothing but to just provide your login credentials like your email address and your password, and simply just authorize this particular connection. So this way you will be able to connect OKX to TradingView in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.